Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get paid from TuneCore. It's very easy guys. So if you have your song uploaded to TuneCore and it's already published on music streaming platforms like Apple Music and Spotify, you should be getting some revenue on TuneCore. Alright, so if you go to your dashboard, you'll be able to see your balance right here. Okay, so if you have some revenue and you want to withdraw it, it's very easy. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to withdraw or get paid on TuneCore. Now how can we do it? All we have to do is to set up a payout method, and it's very easy. On TuneCore there are about 4 payout methods available. So let's see how we can actually get paid from TuneCore. Now, like I said, you have to set up a payout method. So we're going to tap on this option right here, this setup payout. Tap on it. Right, once you tap on it, you'll find this payout preferences option right here. Tap on that. Click on go to Payoneer sign up. And then click on start using Payoneer. Alright, now we are now going to select a preferred payout option. Right, now the first one is the Payoneer card. This one allows you to get paid directly to your MasterCard. Alright, the second one is bank transfers. It allows you to get paid directly to your local bank account in over 200 countries in your local currency. Right. The third one is paper checks, and the last one is paper account. Alright, so how can we actually select one? You just have to tap on this radio button. For example, if you want to select the Payoneer card, tap on that one. Alright, and click on sign up. Then you now go ahead and sign up for a Payoneer account. Well, if you have a Payoneer account already, if you look right at the top, there's this option to sign in if you have a Payoneer account already. Alright, so if you don't, click on select it and click on the sign up option. Likewise, this other one, if this one is your preferred payment method, you can just select it just like this and click on sign up. So guys, once you sign up for an account, then you can be able to withdraw your money on TuneCore. So this is how you can actually get paid from TuneCore. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.